A train runs from Howrah to Bandal at an average speed of 20 km per hour and returns at an average speed of 30 km per hour. The average speed of the train in the whole journey is. Now, Howrah to Bandal, and again he is coming back. Now, what is the definition of an average speed? Average speed is equivalent to total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance traveled by total time taken. Okay. Now here we don't know the distance between H to B. Let us consider the distance between H to B, D. Okay. Now, while traveling from H to B, what is the speed of the train? 20 km per hour. So, time while traveling from H to B is equivalent to distance by speed, d by 20. Similarly, while returning B to H, the distance is same, but what is the speed now? 30. Total time taken is nothing but THB plus TBH. So, now go to the definition. Average speed is equivalent to total distance traveled. What is the total distance traveled here? H to B and B to H. It means H to B is D and B to H is also D. So, total distance traveled is 2D divided by total time taken. So, while traveling from H to B, the time taken is D by 20, and while coming from B to H, the time taken is D by 30. So, you had D by 20 plus D by 30. And friends, don't solve this equation. Okay, let us go by some logical way. Here, anyhow, D is getting cancelled. If I take D common here, you will get D gets cancelled in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Instead of cancelling D, let us make use of D by taking a convenient value. Okay, how to choose a convenient value? Okay, now D by 20 and D by 30. In both the cases, D is divisible by 20 and 30. I will select a number which is divisible by 20 and 30. That is nothing but 60. Simply you can take the LCM of 20 and 30. Is it clear? Assume D is equal to 60. How we are getting D equal to 60? LCM of 20 and 30. Why we are taking D equal to 60? To make our calculation simple. Whatever value you take for D, you will get the same answer, because anyway D is getting cancelled. I will show you this. D, if I take common D, in the numerator you will get 2. If I take a denominator D as common, you will get 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Right? Here anyway D is getting cancelled. Instead of cancelling D, what we are doing? We are making use of D. Okay? So, by choosing a convenient value. What is the convenient value? LCM of the denominators, which is 60. Assume D equal to 60. That is nothing but LCM of 20 and 30. This is very crucial step while solving this question. Okay? Now, this equivalent to 2 into 60 divided by 60 by 20 is how much? 3 plus 60 by 30 is how much? 2. 2 into 60, 120 by 5, which is equivalent to 24. So the answer is option 3. One third of a certain journey is covered at a rate of 25 km per hour. 1/4 at the rate of 30 km per hour. And the rest is at 50 km per hour. The average speed of the journey is. What is the definition of an average speed? Average speed equivalent to total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance traveled by total time taken. Now here he is divided into 3 parts. This is D1, D2 and D3. 3 distances, and speed is given S1, S2, S3. He's given speeds S1, S2 and S3 is given. Then time is equivalent to D1 by S1. T2 equivalent to D2 by S2. Okay. T3 equivalent to D3 by S3. Now what is asking us to find average speed. What is an average speed? Total distance traveled. Total distance traveled is D1 plus D2 plus D3 divided by D1 by S1 plus D2 by S2 plus D3 by S3. Is this clear? Because average speed is nothing but total distance traveled by total time taken. We are considering the distance as D1, D2, D3. Now read the question carefully. Let us say the total distance as D, because D1 plus D2 plus D3, which is nothing but D. Let us consider. Now go to the question and get the information carefully. 1/3 of the journey, certain journey is covered at the rate of 25 km per hour. It means, what is information given? S1. This is S1. Okay. Speed 1 is given. And 1/4 of the fourth at the rate of 30 km per hour. This is S2 is given. Now the rest, it means the third speed is S3. S1, S2, S3, 3 are given. He's asking us to find average speed. Nowhere is specified what is the distance. Most of the people think that data is insufficient, but still we can solve this question. How? Now observe the question carefully. 1/3. I'm getting one fraction. 1/3 and 1/4. 1/3 and 1/4. Instead of taking this as 1 by 3D and 1 by 4D and this all that nonsense or stuff, what we do is consider the total distance as simply, what is the number in the denominator? 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? LCM of 3 and 4 is equivalent to 12. I will consider the total distance as 12x. Simple to make my calculation simple. Okay. Consider the total distance as 12x. Now coming to here. Now 1/3. What is 1/3 of 12x? 3x. Sorry, 1/3 means 4x. D1 is given 4x. D2 will be 1/4 means 3x. What is the amount left over? 5x, because the total distance is 12x. See, simple, how simple we're getting. Instead of doing with fraction, we are taking 4x, 3x and 5x. Now substitute here. 12x by D1 is how much? 4x by speed. What is S1? 25 plus D2 is 3x and speed is 30 plus the remaining 5x is at a speed of 50. Now again here the logic you have to apply. What are the numbers in the denominator? 25, 30, 50. Any of x is getting cancelled, because if I take x is common, x is getting cancelled. Instead of cancelling x, what you have to do? We have to choose a convenient value which makes our calculation simple. So that equivalent to, so choose a convenient value for x, because if I take x common in the denominator, this x is x, and then x will get cancels, and you have to do LCM and all the stuff. Instead of that, choose a convenient value for x. Consider the value of x as let us say 50 or 100. LCM of 25, 30 and 50. It means consider the value of x as 150. LCM of 25, 30 and 50. Consider x is equals to 150. What happens? 12 into 150 divided by, this will become 150 by 25. What is 150 by 25? 6. 4 6 are 24 plus 150 by 30, which is 5. 3 into 5, 15 plus 53s are 53s are 150. So 5 into 3, which is again 15. So that equivalents to 12 into 150 divided by 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 24, 54. 6 2s are 6, 9s are. Okay. Now 3 3s are 3, 50s are. 2 into 50, 100. So 100 by 3, which is equals to 33 1 by 3. The option is 2. The answer is option 2, 33 1 by 3 kilometer per hour. A and B travel at same distance at speed of 9 km and 10 km per hour respectively. If A takes 36 minutes more than B, the distance traveled by each is. Be careful. Here, this is given in kilometer per hour. This is given in how much? This is also kilometer per hour, but the difference in time is given in minutes. So how to tackle this question? Okay, 9 into, let us say the time taken by A be t hours. Okay, or time taken by a t hours equals to speed of B into time taken by B will be t minus 36 minutes. Convert the 36 minutes as hours. So 36 by 60. 1 hour equivalents to, simple, 1 hour equivalents to 60 minutes. So 1 minute equivalents to how much? 1 by 60 of an hour. So x minutes equivalents to x by 60 of an hour. So 36 minutes I am converting into hour, because the units must be in same. Okay, now consider this 90, 9 into 2, 9t equivalents to 10 into t, 10t minus 0 will get cancels, 6, 10t minus 6 implies t equal to 6 hours. Now what is the question is asking? The distance traveled by each is. So 9 into 6, 54, or 10 into 6, 60 minus 6, which is again 54. The distance traveled by them is 54 kilometers.